What's going on, everybody? Bones here. I'm talking side dishes today, and you're watching Cajun RNEWBBQ. So, it's summertime now. You're looking for your next side dish to bring to your next party, cookout, whatever the case may be. Well, it's rum baked beans. You can do this on your pellet grill, your smoker, your stovetop. It's got a nice kick to it, spicy, flavorful. So let's go ahead and get started. Our first step, we're going to take some of that pork belly that we went ahead and smoked the other day. We're going to go ahead and fry off some of that real quick. Went ahead and cut it as thin as I possibly could. Gonna go ahead and hit that up now with some South Texas Red from Uncle Steve's Shake. We're gonna go ahead and flip these over now. Let them get a little warm on this side now. Oh yeah, they smelling great. Gonna go ahead and hit up with that Uncle Steve's on this side too. Got a nice healthy dose of black pepper, red pepper, paprika. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pull them off now. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start slicing up the pork belly. Now, if you don't have pork belly, you can go ahead and use just regular bacon. Just use the thick cut. Use about 6 to 8 slices. Now, you can make this batch as big as you want or as small as you want. I only got to feed about 2 people, so this is going to be a small batch. So, 2 cans of beans. I'm using light kidney beans. You can use the dark beans. It'll be okay either way. Go ahead now and put in the bacon. Now you can scale back the bacon if you want. I just like a lot of bacon in mine, so go with it. One cup of ketchup. Just eyeballing, but I'm just going to tell you the measurements. Half cup of mustard. Half a tablespoon of white wine vinegar. Two tablespoons of your seasoning. Today I'm using South Texas Red by Uncle Steve's Shake. It's got a healthy dose of black pepper, red pepper, paprika, salt, pepper, garlic. 1 cup of brown sugar. Half a teaspoon of mustard powder. And then you can pour as much of this you want in there, or as less. 2 tablespoons of dark rum. Today I'm using Myers dark rum. Now go ahead and start stirring this up. You want to go ahead and put your smoker, your oven at 300 degrees. All right, once it comes up to temp, we're gonna go ahead and put it on. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take a look. We're about an hour and a half in. Oh yeah, we're looking real good. Everything's cooking down, rendering in. That bacon's cooking up nicely in here. Nice bacon and barbecue smell coming off of this. We all done. Let it cool down a minute so it don't burn my mouth. Smells great. Let's go ahead and take out some nice, thick and chunky. It's good enough for a taste test. Here we go. A little chunky with all that bacon, but hey, I like all that bacon. If you don't want it to be all that chunky, cut back on the bacon. Nice and smoothness to the sauce. Little pop of heat, but not too bad, not overpowering. If you want it to be more heat, add some more of that South Texas red in there. But all that, nice and smooth. Like I say, a little pop of heat. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.